True. What's the difference between function called hold on and hold off? So basically, hold on is just you're adding the other plot to the previous plot. All will be in the same figure, which is, let's name this figure to be figure 4. So again, hold on is just saying that if I create now another plot, it will be in the same figure with this plot, and both will like be plotted simultaneously. But if I said hold off and I create now a new plot, he will just create the new plot without adding to the previous plot. Okay, without many words, let's try. So now if I press hold on, and if I want to create the same line, but we're gonna adjust it to different. Let's make, instead of sine x, cosine x. Okay, right now I do expect that you're gonna give me two plots in the same figure, which is figure 4. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So cosine x is starting from 1, sine x is starting from 0, and it happens simultaneously because I press hold on. What I press hold off? As I said, if I press hold off, he's gonna give me this function only, which is the cosine x. Starting from maximum, going to the bottom, then back to the center, maximum, bottom, and so on. So hold on, both plots in the same figure. Hold off, I just don't want the previous figure, I want to start by my own, which is here. And also, like, I didn't specify any colors, but MATLAB will give you color if you didn't specify. Make one in orange, another in blue, which is, MATLAB is very powerful for doing this.